In this video, we'll take a look at how we can construct a simple DC motor using just a few supplies. I'll need a small wooden block, 2 paper clips, 2 thumbtacks, a magnet, some thin copper wire, a 9-volt battery clip, and a battery. I'll start by setting up my platform. Bend the paper clips like this, so one side has a hook that will hold the armature later, and the other side can be easily attached to the wooden block using a thumbtack. Strip some insulation from the ends of the wires on the battery clip, and connect the battery clip to the paper clips by twisting the wire tightly around the paper clip. Firmly press the thumbtack into the wooden block, pinching the paper clip and the battery clip into place. Finally, place your magnet between the paper clips, but try not to let it touch them. This assembly makes up the stator of the motor, or the part that stays still. Now it's time to build the armature. The armature is the part that will spin once we hook up the battery. Cut a piece of wire about 6 feet long, then coil the wire neatly around something round, like a wooden dowel or the handle of a screwdriver. Try to create about a 1-inch diameter coil. Wrap the loose ends of the wire around the coil opposite from one another. Try to keep these exactly across from each other so the coil will be balanced while spinning. It may take some adjusting later. Straighten the ends of the wire on both sides. Using sandpaper, remove the insulation from one end of the wire until you see shiny copper all the way around. On the other end of the wire, repeat this step, but only remove the insulation from one half of the wire. Leave the other half alone. Now place your armature into the hooks you made on the stator. You will probably need to adjust the height of your paper clips or the position of your armature wires to find a balanced position. Keep your magnet from touching the paper clips or the armature. Now it's time to see how a motor actually works. The wire is not normally magnetic. However, when an electrical current is run through the wire gains a magnetic field, just like an ordinary iron magnet. Wrapping the wire into a coil intensifies this magnetic field. If you've ever played with magnets, then you know that magnets can be made to push away from each other without even touching. This push is exactly what we're looking for in our motor. As soon as I connect the battery, electricity starts to flow through the paper clip, through the armature, through the other paper clip, and into the other end of the battery. The electricity makes the wire behave like a magnet, and it pushes away from the magnet on the stator, making the armature spin like crazy. Once you find the best position for your magnet on the wooden block, you can attach it with hot glue. And just like that, we've converted electrical energy into mechanical energy. This is exactly the same principle at work in larger electric motors used to power things like fans, conveyor belts, cars, and countless other pieces of technology. Enjoy!